25 divided by 5 gives us 5. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present, and according to the rules we must work from left to right to solve them. So we need to solve this division first. 25 divided by 5, that gives us 5. Our expression simplifies to 5 divided by 25 divided by 5. Now we can write 5 divided by 25 as 5 over 25. Then we have division operator present from the original expression, and we have 5 available from the original expression too, which we can write as 5 over 1. Now to make our lives easier, we can use KCF rule here to solve the division and fraction. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep first fraction 5 over 25 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 5 over 1 as 1 over 5. So now we have multiplication operator present in between the fractions, which is much easier to solve. We can simply go and multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. However, we can simplify it further here too before multiplying the big numbers. So what we can do is we can cancel out these 5s with each other, and that leaves us with 1 over 25, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.